Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC, and I build custom PCs to suit anyone's needs or budget. Also live stream my builds and repairs for transparency and educational purposes. So if you'd like to get an awesome new PC and you'd like to see it put together live, send me a message today. Alrighty, so tonight we've got a couple of 5600G systems coming up for a couple of lucky young girls. We've got two 5600Gs, we've got 2 gigabyte, I should say, almost said MSI. B550 and DS3H AC motherboard. We got 2 1TB SSDs, 2 kits of RGB RAM, 2x8GB. Got a couple of power supplies over here, and we've got a couple of Antec Dark Phantom cases. Oh no, sorry, they're not the Dark Phantom, it's the DP31 cases. Let's build them and let's see what they can do in terms of gaming performance. Thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all tomorrow in the next video.